Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mixolydian scale in blues. We'll explore its unique sound and why it fits so well with the blues aesthetic. This scale, essentially a major scale with a flattened seventh, naturally complements dominant seventh chords, which are fundamental to blues. You'll learn how to identify its characteristic intervals and begin to incorporate them into your playing right away. Now, let's apply the Mixolydian scale directly to blues chord changes. For each dominant 7 chord in a blues progression, you can use the corresponding Mixolydian scale. For example, over an A7 chord, you'd play a Mixolydian. This creates a strong, consonant sound that outlines the harmony beautifully. Practice transitioning smoothly between these scales as the chords change. Let's dive into some practical licks and phrases using the Mixolydian scale. Try emphasizing the major third and the flat seventh notes, as these are crucial for that authentic blues sound. You can also blend Mixolydian ideas with your existing minor pentatonic vocabulary for richer solos. Don't forget to add bends and vibrato to truly make these notes sing with bluesy emotion. To truly master the Mixolydian scale in blues, consistent practice is essential. Play along with blues backing tracks, focusing on hitting those chord tones and characteristic intervals. Listen intently to your favorite blues guitarists and try to identify how they incorporate this scale into their solos. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your learning journey. Keep exploring and have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.